Lot S134 is a 1970 Buick GS 455, and it has a 455 cubic inch V8 and a automatic transmission. And it bid to $46,000 on Saturday, June 6th. And I'll read from the Mecum website some of the highlights. Odometer reads 35,198 miles. And the exterior color emerald mist, interior color black. And highlights are build sheet, frame off restoration completed 2 years ago by Ballard Paint and Body in Neosho, Wisconsin. Odometer reads 35,198 miles. Matching numbers 455 cubic inch V8 engine. Automatic transmission. Power steering. Power brakes with front discs. Emerald mist with green vinyl top. Original black bucket seat interior. Center console with horseshoe shifter. Stage 1 badges added. Sonomatic push-button radio. Color-keyed mirrors. Buick Rally wheels. BF Goodrich radial TA tires. And also has the Stage 1 badges added. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.